Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me. I have a quick make tutorial to show you, and it's to make this long slim pocket. You can make this as a double pocket, triple pocket, or a triple pocket with an extra little tuck pocket as well. So I made this as an Easter theme for a table placement, and I thought I would make these to add some cutlery, a napkin, and a little like a treat. And then at the back of the pocket I added another side pocket here, and I thought this would be a good place to add a little gift card that I will add to the pocket when I place it on the table. And I thought this would just be something to add for an Easter lunch theme if you are thinking of doing something like that. So I'll show you what I thought of putting in here, and then I'm going to show you how you can make this really easily. There is no measuring. You can use your single-sided paper, and I thought, let me see, so I've got some cutlery, but I'm thinking this would be better if I use the recycled wooden disposable cutlery set, because it's the ones that I have, my cutlery, they're quite big, but it fits perfectly in there. Actually, I think I might place it in the front. So I'm thinking of placing it in the front, and then let me see, let me try this again. I thought of just folding the napkin so that it would fit nicely to the back. So I'll put a napkin in the back like that, and then add the cutlery here. That's why I thought if I use the wooden disposable one, it won't be as bulky. And then I've got these breadsticks that I've just placed in a seal bag, just to add as a little snack to add into the pocket to place at the dinner table. And that can go in there like that. And then to hold the cutlery in place so that they don't slide out, I was going to wrap it around with some twine or some crochet string, and that will hold it all in place. And I'll add a little tag for the name of my daughter, or both of my daughters, so they'll have one each, and then I'll make two more for their partners, and I'll wrap that around with a tag with their names on it and place it on their table setting. And then I'll just add a little, or not a little, but a gift card for an Easter gift for them. And I just thought that would be a perfect way to use for that sort of idea. Or if you're not wanting to use it for that, you could use this to add a little small journal. You can add a small little notebook journal to the back and add some extra bits and pieces to the front pocket. And there's something here at the back, maybe a journaling card, some tags. And so this is the other one. This also has that side pocket, and they're just really cute. And I'm going to show you how to make these. I also made these before I show you. I made these Easter baskets that I thought these would go well, so I thought I'll make these and place them on the table with their place, with the pocket with their cutlery set, and then they'll get a little basket full of chocolates. And I made this using a 6x6 paper as well, so it is quite strong. And this is it has quite a lot of eggs in here, but you see it does have a lot of strength. So this is the other one. So I just thought I'd show you those little baskets. So I'm going to show you how you can make these. The paper I used, I just thought I'd show you if you are in Australia or in Sydney. I purchased the 6x6 paper pad from Kmart. It was only $3, and it was just a lovely, cute paper pad for Easter with a lot of Easter theme pictures. And it's just over 6 inches. It's just a little over 6 by 6 inches. So I just trimmed it down to the 6-inch size. All right, so let me just bring my papers. So what I've done is I've grabbed one piece of a 6x6 paper, and I grabbed another 6x6 paper, and then I cut it in half So it was 3 by 6 inches. So what I'm going to do, because I've already cut these two, they were from these two pieces, so I'll just use one of those, and I might use this one. I'll use this one. I think this will look nice together. So it's a 6 by 6 paper, and then another piece at 3 by 6 inches. And the smaller size is going to go in the front. And so you just decide which piece you want. And all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to fold the 6 by 6 paper in half. So fold that in half. And then the other piece, you're going to fold this also. And you're going to fold whichever side. I'm going to go and turn it this way. So the right side, you want to fold this in about an inch in, or just a little bit, about halfway. This will be the depth of your back pocket. So it's about 1 inch in, or just a little bit over. And I'm just going to turn it back this way. And then what will happen is that's just going to get placed inside like that. And then you've got that part at the back, that's that side pocket. And then what I decided to do is I thought I would decorate it and do a couple of angle cuts. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab, use my larger trimmer for this, just easier. If you don't want to use your paper trimmer, you can just use your scissors to make the angle cut, so you don't have to do that. So for the front part, I'm going to open this up. You're going to cut so far down, depending how deep you want it, probably about 2 inches down, and you want to cut it up to that fold line. But I'm going to use a paper trimmer, so I'm just going to line that with the wire. And then I'm just going to go like that and cut. And then you can see there's given me an angle. And when you cut it, try not to go past the fold. So I did go past the fold, so it's not going to. And then I'm going to keep this little piece just in case. And then this one here, I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to open it this way. And I'm just going to do a smaller angle cut. So I'm going to make sure I don't go past that fold line there. So I'm just going to, just a little, not as deep. So that's that one. And I'll just bring that back over. So that one's done, and then this piece is done. And then we'll just bring that back in, and you can see that will go in like that. So now you can see you've got that pocket there, and then this will also be a pocket. Then you've got this little piece, or this piece maybe if you wanted to. This one's going to be upside down. You can have that piece and then create another little pocket here, there. So then you have another little tuck pocket in the front, and you'll have that pocket, and the back pocket. All I'm going to do, I'm just going to assemble it now. Oh, before I do that, I'm just going to grab the circle punch. I'm just going to create a thumb notch to the back. And I'll put that back in there. Well, what we're going to do, we'll take this out. We're going to glue just along the bottom here. Do that. And then we're going to seal that off. And then we're just going to glue all along here. And up here. And then we'll just place that back in. And that's all there is to creating this tall, slim double pocket or triple pocket or multi-pocket insert, and that is all there is to that. And then you can add this little piece to the front if you like, if you just don't want to waste it. You can add a little tag or some fun little little notes. And that can go there, and there's your other extra pocket. So now you'll have a pocket there. You've got your pocket there, you have your pocket there, and a pocket at the back. So this is just a simple, quick make pocket idea using 2 pieces of papers, and you can use this for any occasion that you want, or to just gift a few little packaged goodies. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye for now.